monthly. Pag-ibig po namin, 25 before, walang kaya dyan, square meter floor area. 4642,575. Kasi po, different po siya sa 4541 standard price. Kasi facing sunrise na siya, facing Amex or Park Center. So ngayon, 1,040,000 yung ating down payment. Nakuha yan sir, loanable amount na fixed kasi ito eh. 3,602 minus sa total contract price. Then yung remaining on this one, then less of the payment na 50,000, yung remaining naman divided into 3 months, 66,038 monthly. Then, 25 years, 20 years of terms, and so on. Kasi ito yung monthly and year requirement.
May kubanungan ka naman sa
Hello po. Tasit natin sa total contract price. Kaya makukuha natin na yung 120,000.